Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to empty recycle when you restart, shutdown and log out your computer. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a notepad and open a notepad. After opening the notepad, first of all type a PowerShell .exe space slash no profile space slash command space clear dash recycle bin space slash force. So after that, click on it and click on a save sector location such as like documents. Save type is all file and setter name is clear dot bat. So setter name is and click on save button. After that, close it. In the search box type a gpedit.exe msc. So open gpedit.msc. After that, go to your Windows settings, select a script log on log off, open a log off, click on add, browse and select a created file, so such as clear recycle bin, open, click on OK button, apply and OK button, close it. After that, in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is gpu pdate space slash force and press enter. So it's required of a few seconds to updating the policy. Now after that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.